Hello, I'm Aaron Rubin, CEO of ShipHero. We're in one of our facilities. This one's in Pennsylvania, and we're going to talk about the standard way a warehouse flow is. So most warehouses are a square or a rectangle with all the receiving and outbound dock doors on one side. So you have a U-shaped flow of the goods. So products come in at the dock. You typically have a pretty decent amount of space between the dock and your receiving stations. That's where product ends up lying. You always need more space there than you expect. Once product is ready to be received, that happens at the receiving stations. We have fixed stations as well as mobile stations. Sometimes you have a lot more receiving than other days. Nothing gets past the receiving station if it hasn't been either checked, which is ready to be put away, or if it's a non-compliant, it's labeled. If something is a product that's good to put away, if it's in bulk, it goes to the bulk section. So that's your overstock. That's where you have your pallets of goods. From there, it goes to the pickable area. So as we need to replenish goods to make it so they can be picked by the pickers, that gets moved from, let's say, 1 or 2 boxes out of the pallets, get moved to the pickable area. From the pickable area, the pickers are moving around with their carts, pulling single units out of those cases. When they're done pulling, they bring them to the packing station. At the packing station, they're put in the final box, the label is applied, and then it moves back to the outbound dock doors. So everything that's past the packing station is an outbound package that's already labeled. So you know if it's past the packing station, whatever carrier it's labeled for, UPS, FedEx, USPS, etc., they can pick that up. So that's the basic flow. It's a basic U, comes in, received, bulk, pickable, pack, and out the door. If you have a warehouse that has dock doors on 2 sides, which is much less common, but happens, it's just linear. So it's the same 4 steps. It's just, it goes in a straight line instead of a U. And that's how you run your warehouse.